Hello, my name is Annie. Today I want to tell and show you how to use a breast pump to pump milk. This is a very useful thing for moms and especially helps when you need to pump milk quickly. As you can see, this breast pump has a milk container and there is no lever. It's fully electric. I just press the button. It's actually very convenient because the milk container can be used many times. Now I'm going to show you how it works. I put the breast pump right on my breast. Make sure it fits snugly on the nipple and there's nothing in the way. I press the button to start the process. The milk will start to go into the container. When it starts to fill it up, you'll see this moment. I can already feel the container filling up with the right amount of milk. Now I can just unscrew this container and transfer the milk into another storage container. I hope this video helped you learn how to use the breast pump. Write in the comments if you have any questions.